Hello everyone. So in this video, we are going to look into the process of importing ITR balance sheet and P&L to Spectrum software. So what is the process? So there are actually three things involved. One is the balance sheet automation tool, second one is Spectrum software, and third one is Excel template given by Spectrum software. So the process is from balance sheet automation tool to the ITR balance sheet and P&L will be exported into Excel template of Spectrum software, and that particular Excel you can import into Spectrum software. So your process of manual filling ITR balance sheet and P&L is completely automated. So now how will you get that particular Excel format of Spectrum software? Let's just come on that. Come to the Spectrum software, go to the transaction. In that there is a third option, general information balance sheet and P&L. Click on that. You will get a screen somewhat like this. Over there you get two options, import and export. Just click on export. Once you click on this button export, you will get particular blank Excel format of ITR. This is the format of Spectrum software. Now come to balance sheet automation tool. There come to ITR balance sheet. There if you just go down, there is a two cells there are. One is the file path and another one is the file name. Now here you need to mention the file path where your that particular blank format of Spectrum is you have saved. You need to mention path and file name. Now remember one thing, here you need to mention file name with extension. So in case of Spectrum Excel format, this extension is .xls. Once you mention this, then you click on export ITR to Spectrum software. So once you click on that button, all the data will be exported into the Excel template of Spectrum software. Now this particular Excel template you can save, and then you can import this into Spectrum software. Now come to Spectrum software. There again go to transaction, general information, balance sheet, P&L, and there again there is an option of import. Click on that. You need to mention where your particular file is and correct the checkbox balance sheet and P&L, and then click on proceed. Now this will import your entire ITR balance sheet P&L into Spectrum software. Okay, thank you.